Hello PowerPoint users, and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to design and animate this beautiful infographic using PowerPoint. So, let's learn how to do it. First, let's go to Insert tab and draw an oval shape. Duplicate this shape, align it over the original shape, and rotate it by 60 degrees. Duplicate it one more time and flip it horizontally. Now draw a circle shape by matching its diameter with major axis of oval shape, and then send it to back. Next, drag and select all these shapes, remove their outline, and fragment them together. Drag the center shape outside, delete it, and then union these three shapes in pair, as shown. Union all shapes following the same pattern, and let's change their colors to verify their design. Now go to Format Shape option and apply Gradient Fill. Make it a two-step gradient, adjust their positions, and change their colors. Adjust the gradient angle until the dark color aligns along the intersecting edge as shown. Apply this gradient pattern to all shapes using Format Painter and adjust their gradient angles. Now change the background color to dark gray, and then add all title text and PNG icons. Now duplicate the first slide, and on first slide, let's zoom out and delete the main title text. Now select each shape and its PNG icon along with the title text, and then move them out of slide area. Delete the center PNG icon and add the heading text. Change its font color and align it to center. Finally, delete the last slide, select other two slides, and apply Morph Transition. Reduce the duration to 1.25 seconds and we are done. So here's the final preview of this beautiful animation. Hope you all liked it. Stay tuned for more such tutorials.